Hello, welcome to Kspyworld. My name is Parthiv and I will show you how to insert the magnetic earpiece. See, this is the magnetic earpiece set. This is the complete iron stick and these are the tiny magnets. Okay, it's very small in size and it will goes into your ear and it will touch the eardrum. Okay, it must touch the eardrum for proper hearing, proper sound. Okay, I will show you. See, what you have to do, you just have to insert these tiny magnets into your ear. You just have to do one thing. You just have to take on magnets, tiny magnets like this. Okay, and you need to insert it into your ear. Yes, it will go in totally inside your ear, and then you will be able to hear the sound where the module, neck loop or GSM based or whatever product. And for taking out, you need to use this stick. Okay, you need to use this stick and you need to keep it little bit inside your ear like this. Okay, it came out. Okay, it's very easy. It's not harmful. You just have to insert this slightly. It's very weightless. It's very thin. Okay, it's very small. It will just normally you need to use it, and you can use it for a very long time, 8 to 9 hours per day. Okay, but don't keep it inserted when not in use. Okay, the rest things is very easy to use. This stick you can use it very easily. You just have to insert and you need to take it out. Okay, thank you.